morning, students. In class 6, we were discussing tenses, and the topic was present perfect continuous. I told you the present perfect continuous tenses is used to express the action began in the past, जो action past में शुरू हुआ होगा, and has been in the progress till the time of speaking. वो तब तक चल रहा होगा जब तक उसको continue आप कर रहे हैं. And I told you to use has have plus been plus verb plus ing plus since or for. For certain time we will use since, for uncertain time we will use for. Clear? And singular subjects में आप use करेंगे has and plural में use करना है have. Okay. In the case of negative has have not been. ठीक है, तो उसकी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं आज. Exercise A on page number 84. He work in this company since 2007. 2007 फिक्स है तो हमने यूज़ किया है यहाँ पर since. तो he work, he के साथ has का यूज़ करना है, been plus working, has been working. Second, I dash for you since 2 o'clock. Wait have or I have been waiting. Mary dash in Germany since 2012. Verb is live. Mary has been living. Why is he so tired? He played tennis for 5 hours. Has been playing. Means you have to use has with singular subject plus been plus ing. Has been playing. Fifth one, how long learn you, means you have to use learning and verb will be added in the form of ing plus have. That means how long have you been learning, because we are just writing interrogative now. So how long have you been learning? We look for, we have been looking for, because we के साथ have का यूज करते हैं. Seventh, I live, have been living. The film run not, has not been running. Has not been running. How long work she? She में हम has का यूज करेंगे. Has she been working? Tenth, she not be. Be has have, because we use has with she, not plus been. Has not been. She has not been in the garden for more than an hour. Okay. part B. Read the situations and complete the sentences. Years ago, you started writing to be a pen friend. You still write to each other regularly. Now you have to complete for it. Now we have been writing each other. Now we have been writing each other. Mary started working in London on 18th of January. She is still working there now. Fine. She has been working in London since 18th of January. Means जब वो लंदन में थी तब 18 जनवरी में basically work कर रही थी. She has been working in London. And began looking for a job 6 months ago. She is still looking now. That means कि वो एक job की search कर रही है. She has been looking for a job. I started Spanish classes in December. I'm still learning Spanish now. Means I have been learning Spanish. We started waiting for the bus 20 minutes ago. We are still waiting now. That means we have been waiting for 20 minutes. We have been waiting for 20 minutes. The rain started for 2 hours ago. It's still raining now. That means it has been raining. Clear? Exercise C. A friend tells you about his job. He tells about his job and he sells computer. You want to know how long. Means you have to just make interrogative of it. How long you ask. Means you have to use how long. Verb will be sell. Subject will be you. Object will be computer. That means how long have you been selling computers? How long given है इसका यूज करना है. That means have you been. Verb is sell. Sell will be selling. What is selling? Computers. Second one. A friend of yours is now living in Baker Street. You want to know how long. You ask how long have you been living in Baker Street, because idea is given na how long you live in बेकर स्ट्रीट, तो उसको कंबाइन कैसे करेंगे, हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन लिविंग इन बेकर स्ट्रीट। Third, you meet a friend in the street. His face and hands are very dirty. You ask, what you do? Means, what have you been doing? Because you have to use you plus have plus been and ing. What have you been doing? Fourth one, you have just arrived to meet a friend who is waiting for you. You ask, you wait long. How long have you been waiting? Long. Fifth, John looks sunburnt. You ask, you sit in the sun. Simple. How long have you been sitting in the sun? Fine. So these were the questions making situation. Next topic is past tense. We will start with simple past, which you call past indefinite. Na? Past denotes any action that had taken place in the past time. जो basically आप recently आप कर चुके हैं past में, वो simple past का part होता है. And how to use it to express action that took place some time in the past and are over now. अब वो finish है but past में हुआ था. These action might be occurred at some time or might have taken a period of time. ये recently हुआ हो सकता है कुछ टाइम पहले भी. Fine. But they don't have any connection with the present time. You have to remember it. उसका present से कोई connection नहीं होता है. Fine. For example, I posted 2 letters yesterday. Some moment, कल पहले की बात है. We stayed at Noida for 2 weeks. Long period ago. काफी टाइम पहले. But it has been finished ना, तो उसका present से कोई भी basically connection नहीं है. It's a basically intro of past tense. So just focus on the rule now. In the cases of affirmative, we will use subject plus verb second form plus object. Fine. For example, they went to market. You have to use second form. तो basically market जाने के लिए go का use करते हैं. The second form of go is went. So they went to market. Clear? So you have to use second form in first person, second person और third person. Means singular subjects, plural subjects, आप सब में verb second form का use करेंगे. जैसे ही drove a car. Second form of drive is drove a car. Singular है तब भी आप second form का use कर रहे हैं. Fine. They went to market. Affirmative. In the cases of negative, they did not go to market. Now you have to use did in negative side, okay, and second form will convert into first form in the cases of negative. Fine. In the cases of interrogative, you have to use did before the subject. In the cases of interrogative negative, did they not go to market? Fine. In the cases of double interrogative, why did they go to market? In the cases of double interrogative plus negative, you have to use why did they not go to market. So that was the basic startup of simple past. So in upcoming lecture we will continue the exercises of it. Fine. Thank you so much.